In reality, this French Revolution, which was happened in 1789, was started on 14th July. An incident which was taking place in Paris. What was the incident? The incident was that a mob was running in the search of arms and ammunition in the streets of Paris in defense from attack from the Royal Army, which was mobilized by the King Louis XVI. Really, it was happened due to a rumor spread in the city, which was regarding an order given by the king to army to open fire on the miscreants in the streets. मतलब एक unprecedented mob was advancing, running, searching, crying, attacking even the different buildings in search of arms and ammunition to face the challenge posed by the king. Really, it was not happened, but it was created a sensation in the mind of the mob due to a rumor, and this rumor was that king had given the order to army to open fire on the mob. It was really disheartening for the mob which were gathered in Paris with the deputies elected in countryside and came Paris to participate in the meeting of General States called by Louis XVI. This Louis XVI? Louis XVI. This Louis XVI came on throne of France in 1774 AD. After the death of Louis XIV, this Louis XVI was energetic, a young blood, very much enthusiastic, and even ready to take reforms, take a new challenge. But conditions in France, in political life or in society, was so much grim, especially economy was disheartening for Louis XVI, that he had called the meeting of General State. This general meeting of General State was called after 175 years in France to take a decision on increase of the tax, because in France, which was based on the divine principle of the state, यानी कि राजा किंग जो होता था वो डिवाइनिटी में विश्वास करता था. डिवाइन थ्योरी ऑफ किंगशिप, डिवाइन थ्योरी ऑफ द किंगशिप वाज द रोल मॉडल फॉर द किंग ऑफ France, the Bourbon dynasty, which was ruling at that time. This Louis XVI belonged to Bourbon dynasty, and it believed in the divine theory of kingship, in which rulers were generally supposed the representative of God, so they were not bounded by any restriction imposed by society, and they generally ruled in the state by their will. That means their will was the law, their will was the rule, norm of rule. So this Louis XVI, right, got the throne, became unsuccessful in getting the required result from the reforms, compelled to call the meeting of General State in France after 175 years, which was not held in between. In 1614 it was held, but after that this meeting was not held. So this Louis XVI called upon the meeting, and for meeting people of France participated in election of the deputy, the representative of the France of the different parts. They came Paris to participate in the meeting with their followers, enthusiastic followers, friends. Really they were curious to see the incident. Their mottos were not very much bad to bring such a revolution. They were dissatisfied, no doubt, but the incident taken a very unexpected route. What was the unexpected? When the mob started to run on the rumor that king had mobilized the force to control the mob and given order even to open the fire, the people formed a militia, formed a people's militia to fight or to face the challenge from the royal soldiers. These people militia, in this militia there were more than 1,000 people, men or women, and some of them, more than 700 people, advanced towards the fortress, prison of Bastille. Since this Bastille was the mark of the royal power, so this militia attacked this prison of Bastille in order to get the arms and ammunition kept there, and in process demolished this Bastille. The commander was killed in the exchange of fire with the militia. The prisoners kept in prison were released, and there was a celebration by this militia after the demolition of this fortress of Bastille. Really, it was the end of the despotic power. It was the declaration of the end of the rule of the despotic power of the king in the France. फ्रांस में अनियंत्रित सत्ता जो राजा की थी, उसके अंत की यह घोषणा थी, फॉल ऑफ बेस्टिल. Really, this incident is called fall of Bastille. Fall of Bastille. And this fall of Bastille became the base of a chain of incident taken place in Paris and countryside. Given the beginning of this revolution a shape of countrywide incident. Now this video isn't really, it will be a very long video. So the causes of this incident in another video I'll explain. This incident was taking place, no doubt. I have explained you why it had happened, taken place. But what were the causes which brought this French Revolution in France? In another video, I'll explain. Yes, good.